A very good afternoon, 7th class. So, in previous video, we have completed this chapter, and in this video, we will do the question answer and exercise of this chapter. So, let's start. Here is a given some MCQs. So, you will do yourself after reading the chapter. Fill in the blanks also given here. These two question MCQs and fill in the blanks you have to do yourself. Okay, now C part, explain the terms. Here is a given the sum terms and you will write in your fair notebook. So first one is given humidity, second one is dew point, third one dew, then fourth one fog, fifth one mist, then sixth one precipitation, seventh one hail, eighth one sleet, and ninth one rain shadow reason. So first one humidity, I am writing on the blackboard, you will note down. So the student, humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. Got it? Now the second one, dew point. Dew point is the temperature the air needs to be cooled to in order to achieve a relative humidity of 100%. At the point of the air cannot hold more water in the gas form. Now the third one, dew. Dew is water in the form of droplets that appear on thin exposed objects in the morning due to condensation. You can also add here object in the morning or in the evening due to condensation. So note down. After that, the fourth one is, now write, fog is a thick white cloud that forms closer to the land or sea. Got it? Fog makes it difficult for us to see. Now clear? And the next one is mist. So mist is formed when Moist air comes in contact with surface of the earth and condensation takes place around dust particle around dust particles floating in the ground. Clear? You will note down. The next one. So the next one is precipitation. Precipitation is a form of liquid or solid particles that fall from the atmosphere and reach the surface of the earth. Now G1. Next one, hail. Hail is a large frozen raindrops or pellets of frozen rain that fall in shower from the clouds. Okay. So note down. The next one is sleet. What is sleet? Sleet is a combination of snow. Sleet is a combination of snow, flakes and rain falling together. Clear? Now next one is rain, shadow, reason, and it is a reason having a little rainfall because it is sheltered from prevailing rain-bearing winds by a range or hill. Clear this one? Now the next question is there. It is given the first question, distinguish between condensation and precipitation. So answer is there. Condensation is the process by which water vapor is changed back into liquid water. Clear this one? And precipitation is any form of liquid or solid water particles that fall from the atmosphere and reach the surface of the earth. Is that clear? Now note down. Now the next question is differentiate between absolute humidity and relative humidity. Answer is there. So the answer is there. Absolute humidity is the actual amount of water vapor in a given volume of air at a given temperature, and it is expressed in number of grams of water per cubic meter. Whereas the relative humidity is the ratio between the actual amount of water vapor present in a certain amount of air, and the maximum amount of water in the air can hold at a given temperature, and it is expressed in percentage. Is that clear? Now the next third question is there. What is fog and how is fog different from mist? So answer is there. Now the answer third is there. Clouds are three types. First one is cirrus clouds, thin or feathery clouds found with sunny weather. The B stratus clouds, low grey clouds that usually bring rain or snow. The C1 cumulus clouds, big puffy balls of cotton. So note down. So answer is there. Fog is a thick white clouds that forms closer to the land or sea. Fog is a cloud that reaches ground levels, but mist occurs when water droplets suspended in the air by invasion of temperature, volcanic activity or moisture change. This is the answer of 4. Okay, students, I'm really sorry I didn't tell you the question. Which one is question is that? Question number 3rd. What is fog and how is fog different from the mist? We have already done the question 4 as the series of the number 3rd. Okay, but you will write the question 4, what is fog, series number you will write only, and how is fog different from the mist, and answer is there. This one is the answer. Now the next question number 5. What is convectional rainfall and where does it occur? So answer is there. The answer 5 is there. The heated surface of the earth in the equatorial region heats the air above it. Hot moisture laden air in the equatorial region, air rises above and cools on reaching the upper layers. Where? Of the atmosphere. Heavy rain accompanied by lightning and thunder convectional rainfall. This is called convectional rainfall, and it is occur, or it you can write it occurs throughout the year. Where? In equatorial region. Got it? So note down. And the next one is explain relief rain, give suitable examples. And the seventh one also there, how is the cyclonic rainfall caused? So answer is there. Relief rainfall occurs when a hill or mountain range lies in the path of moisture laden winds. When these winds rise above, they cool down and drop their moisture in the form of rainfall on the windward side of mountain. Mumbai on the windward side receives more rain during the monsoon. Clear this one? Now the next answer is there. Question. What was the question? Question is, how is cyclonic rainfall caused? So answer is there. Cyclonic activity causes cyclonic rain, and it occurs along the fronts the warm light or wind, this is W, warm light, the warm lighter wind increases slightly over. Is that clear? The heavier cold air as the warm air rises, how will you write? I'm again telling you, cyclonic activity causes cyclonic rain and it occurs along the fronts. The warm, this is T, the warm lighter wind increases slightly over the heavier cold air. The full stop is there after the cold air, not in the between of over the heavier. Now after that you will write, as the warm air rises, it cools and the moisture present in it condenses to form clouds. Okay, this one is the answer. Now the next. Now there is creative analysis and evaluation based question. First one, why do equatorial region have 4 o'clock rains every day? So, and give reasons also given here कि Mumbai receive more rain during monsoon than Pune. Why? And wet clothes take longer time to dry on a humid day. So, we will only do these three questions, and F also match the followings you will do yourself. After reading the chapter, you can do it very easily. And also puzzles also given here, you will do that. So you will note down, in the equatorial region there is 4 o'clock rain because the vertical rays coming from the sun heats up the land at a huge extent. Due to this, the formation of water vapor gets accumulated in the upper layers of the atmosphere and come down in the form of rain. Clear this one? And this question, Mumbai receive more rain during monsoons than Pune, you have to do yourself. First of all, you will read the three types of rainfall. The first one is relief or orographic rainfall. Read it carefully and attentively that you can write this answer. Okay. Means Mumbai is situated on the windward slope of the Western Ghat and so it receives more rainfall. Whereas Pune lies on the leeward side. This is due to difference in location. Clear this one? And the B one. Wet clothes take longer time to dry on a humid day. So students, wet clothes take longer time to dry on a humid day because the air has a lot of water vapor and so it cannot accommodate the water vapor created by the wet cloths. So the water remains in the cloths for a longer time. Clear? So complete all the question answer in your notebook. Read the chapters and learn all the question answer carefully, attentively. Thank you so much.